Okay guys, that was a fiasco, huh? I don't know what happened to the Tello. It went crazy, went up and down, lost control, I couldn't control it. I have no idea what I've done wrong. So the first thing I'm gonna do is change these propellers, because now as you can see they are all cracked and bent, so this is worthless. So let's put it back in there, and let's, I don't know, maybe I did something wrong and twisted the, I don't know if you ever faced this before, because these are not Tello propellers, these are bought in Amazon. Okay, so let's take the other propeller. Okay, let's point the camera towards me, grab the ones that they are marked. So this one goes in the left back left, or whatever you want to call it, the position. Let's hold the motor and press this down. Okay, it's downwards. Okay, now this one goes, the one not marked. Okay, this is not marked. So let's hold the leg. Okay, make sure that all the way down. This is not all the way down, this is neither going all the way down. So hopefully that was the issue. So okay, so that's, now it's all the way down. Now the same thing here, see there's a little space there, so just make sure it goes all the way down. Okay, alright, so the thing I'm gonna do, I just want to make sure that they go all the way down, how they go all the way. So that's something I didn't even notice. So now let me try to place one of the original ones. See, it goes click, they click, and they go all the way down. So you can see they go all the way down there. So probably that's the issue here. That was the issue anyway. So now let's take the unmarked, that goes in here. Okay, it clicks, but see it's left over there. So let's go down. My goodness. Okay, and now let's place this one, take the other one and place it in there. Okay, now let's hold the engine, the motor, let's hold the leg, and let's press it downwards. There you go, all the way down. And let's make sure everything is down. Okay, let's check it up. And this one is not all the way down, so let's push it. I don't know, it seems like they're okay now. Okay, so we have the propellers. So let's connect that to the Tello and try to fly it. Okay, it's connected, I can see that. Let's record to see if this, cross our fingers and see if this goes up properly. Let's take off. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Oh, it's okay, stable, I don't know. Okay, so now it seems much better. At the moment it stays okay. Well, let's go up. Let's go backwards. Go front. Let's turn around. Let's go front. Let's go to the left. There you go. Let's go downwards. Let's turn around again. Let's go backwards. And let's go up. And let the battery drain and see if it lands, it stays there. Just gonna make sure it stays there. As you can see, it's pretty stable. I think the issue were the propellers. Okay, we're just gonna let it sit until the battery drains. You know, the infrared probably they're working okay, but as you can see, it's still a little hovering a little to the left, to the right, but it's pretty stable. Now it's landing. And it landed. Okay, great. Okay guys, so this test is finished. I'm glad that we could fix it by placing the new propellers.